Hello guys and welcome to the first ever episode of Candid Talk with Siri. This show is a stress booster, fun and motivational where you get to get personal with all the professional experts. I know you guys are excited, so without wasting any time, I would like to give short brief about our today's guests. They are ruling digital marketing world, fun-loving people, and on top of everything, they are a great human. Let us welcome our guest. Ms. Tarumita Samal, Mr. Anis Shah, CEO and Chairperson of Alliance Digital Media. मैले हजुरहरुलाई इन्ट्रोड्युस गराइसके बट व्हाट आई वान्ट इज तपाईले उहाँको इन्ट्रोडक्सन दिनु अनि उहाँले चाहिँ तपाईको इन्ट्रोडक्सन दिनु.
So I think we have to go uncensored version then. So, okay.
Be wise with your choice of words.
Okay, fine. So much performance pressure. So, okay, for me, what I have known him is that if you ask me on overall personal, professional, mixed up level, he's a person who is too much disciplined, very particular about time. He would take ambitions to a different level. If he's sitting to complete a task, he will complete it and then only he will, you know, like he's that kind of perfection needed person. On a personal level, he is fun, but not with everyone. He's kind of an ambivert. He's not introvert, he's not extrovert, he's an ambivert. He chooses his people and then opens up. A caring friend, I can say. And at the end, he may look very serious, but he is a 3-year-old baby.
Can you give 3 words for him?
Tech freak, he is that. A great motivator. I think he motivates me like throughout, like the way he takes the best out of me. And third would be a child at heart. So yeah. That's
Same questions to you.
I don't know, like personally I have known her since like more than
a decade,
10 years. So personal level I know a lot of things about her, and what I feel is that like what kind of person is she in person, like, you know, people friendly, like talking to people, you know, making friends, but you know, some filters in friends too, like this is not the right person to make friends with, just kicking out of the way.
So you guys are quite similar in this case.
We are.
We choose a lot.
We are 95% similar. Okay. We have 95% similarities. We are alike. 5% differences are there.
Yeah. So all those, you know, personal things has been implementing all those personal level of skills. You know, talking with people, making friends within inside this office. You know, whatever I have been seeing, like, you know, all the staffs are so much friendly towards everyone. Like everybody respects each other. Just because of her, because the way she talks, she, you know, gives party to their to her, you know, employee staff, and then everybody is like happy, and everybody is like talkative and so much friendly. So due to her presence, everyone in the house becomes friendly automatically.
So that thing lighten the environment.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. In a decade, in more than 10 years, I've heard such good words.
No, just because it's Candid Talk with Siri.
No, you can say everything.
Okay, I think we are done with the introducing each other.
Please give her 3 words from your side.
I want to hear some good things about me. You know, it's been so long.
But it's fine again. It's cool. Word
He's a waste of time. Okay, so he loses the point here. Okay, mark that.
No problem. You can take the point.
By the way, we have a gift for the winner at last.
So
be careful on that.
What's the prize?
I cannot say that.
He's so calculated. You can see that. He will know what's the prize and then he'll play.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's play our first game. Okay. And the title of the game is Who Know Whom Better.
Okay.
And this is like a rapid fire, not exactly rapid fire game, but like a rapid fire. You cannot think for a long time. You just have to give the answer right there.
Okay, so who's going first?
Let me start with Anisar.
Okay, please. I can relax.
What is her favorite color?
Purple. I don't know. Maybe.
At the end, you will say how many answers are correct
Yeah, I'm
about you, okay?
counting.
Will she choose business or politics?
Business.
Okay. Rate her intelligence.
Oh, sorry.
Rate her intelligence.
Maybe somewhere around 9 out of 10.
Okay, so he
Okay.
feels I'm intelligent. Good.
What is your favorite car?
Favorite car maybe Tata Nano. Maybe. Because she loves small things like small laptop. That's why Tata Nano.
Is she good in dancing or singing?
Dancing.
Okay.
Okay, then now, I mean,
My
like your
turn to
turn
answer
about okay.
him. Okay.
Please keep the calculation because it will be calculated.
Okay.
What is his favorite color? Let's start from that.
Blue. Blue. All shades of blue.
You guys are giving answer. Look in the dress you guys are wearing.
No, I'm not wearing purple, but his answer was wrong in that way. He knows my favorite color, but I don't know why he.
I keep forgetting.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. What would he do if he's really angry?
He will get into a shell. He self-heals himself. So if he's very angry, he needs his own time
Okay.
to repair.
Okay.
And after that, when he's out of that, he will come and discuss or talk. But when he's angry and if you keep on pinching him, then there'll be a big fight. So yeah.
What would he would love to do in his summer vacation?
He wants to go to Europe trip, that too alone, a single trip to Europe for a month or so. So that's what he wants to do right now at the top of his list.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Was he good in his study?
Yeah, he was not the like very brilliant student, but he was a good student. He was
Okay.
a good, and he was a dedicated good student.
So I know you guys since last year, so I would like to ask this question.
Okay.
What was his nickname during his college life?
Choose your words. Because that question is gonna come to
Okay,
me as well.
fine. So in the college, I don't know what nicknames the boys hostel in the boys hostel he had. Some I know from him only, but yeah, like within us, it was like a hanger.
Why?
So the hanger was because in school, college, he was very, like lean and thin. So it's like just like that. We had a nickname for him, ki okay, hanger. That's it. But now you can see.
Okay. I can't stop laughing.
Okay.
Rate his intelligence. Or let's say creativity. Rate his creativity.
Creativity.
Out of 10.
Out of 10. Okay, so the creativity could have gone to me, I think. But yeah, I think creativity I would rate him like 8.5. Yeah.
8.5.
Yeah.
Why not 9 or why not 8?
There are reasons.
Okay. Now let's look at the results.
Okay,
so how many
Intelligence
answer
I
was
would
like-
like to change to 8.5.
No, you cannot do that.
That's my
Right, you cannot do
perspective.
that.
Whatever your favorites and stuffs, I have said right, okay?
How many answers were correct about you?
All.
All?
He
And
was
yours?
wrong about the car, which he just mishapped. So my favorite car is not. I like small cute things, but that does not mean with car. I know that he jokes around. He does not care about the hamper or the gift. And my favorite color, he knows it's pink, and he said
Yeah.
purple. So
Because you were wearing purple.
Yes,
No,
these kind of
no,
things,
no.
I kind of don't, I'm not likely to remember these kind of things. I don't know why, because maybe I don't have much of interest in
Yeah.
colors and actors, whoever made, I don't mind.
okay.
She is doing a job well and that's fine.
How does Alliance form? Like how you thought about this name and this logo is about bird, yeah? So how?
This goes to him.
So yeah, basically start गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ like I was giving interviews some digital marketing company. I was not getting so much satisfied with those interviews and all. I was not so much happy about it. So I thought I had a sponsor in US and उसले चाहिँ sponsor गरिरहेको थियो हामीलाई हाम्रै प्रोजेक्ट्सहरु गर्नको लागि, and then we thought let's start up this thing and then let's see where it goes. We had no idea where it would go. And when we started, and then I started realizing there's an knowledge gap in people here in Nepal. कि उनीहरुलाई digital marketing को नाममा like very less knowledge, or lots of myths. They are carrying lots of myths. So we thought, okay, why not to start with some trainings, and teach people what actually digital marketing is. And we started off with SEO training at that time. And with the grace of God, finally we have been able to add up so many courses, and people are really excited about it.
It's been a crazy ride. Basically, we just completed 3 years of Alliance on 1st August, and it has been a crazy ride. We did not at all, we never thought that this is what we're going to achieve in just 3 years, because we had a 5 years plan and it was too short. And what I can say is we are totally happy, satisfied, but of course we have more urge to grow more, of course, like let's see, touch wood.
अनि यो नाम चाहिँ नि कसरी राख्नु भयो तपाईले?
अनि नाम चाहिँ खास यस्तो भएको, like we were thinking few other names as well. One of them was Skyme Digital Media as well, but Alliance, I just came across this name, and when we thought that this company has already been closed, so we thought that Alliance को meaning चाहिँ खास के हो, fast moving, and very fast moving, and we personally thought that we are fast moving.
It exactly matches us.
Not when the company was started, but from the very beginning, like in person, we were like that, and I was like that. I want everything very fast. I just hate waiting, and that's why I thought, yeah, that should be the right name of this company, and then we finalized that Alliance should be the name.
Basically, Alliance suits our personality. The name suits our personality, what we are, fast decision making, we don't know whether a decision is going to be correct or not, but even if it's going to be wrong, it's our responsibility, but let's take decision fast. We can't hold to take a decision. So that's why I think Alliance is perfect for representing us.
Very thoughtful. So everyone know that entrepreneurship is a very difficult task.
Yeah.
So how tough is an entrepreneurship for you guys?
Well, to be very frank, there are challenges, and now that it's the time of Corona, you actually see more tough situation. Well, entrepreneurship, I would just like to say one thing, people think that entrepreneurship or having a business is all about only the technical stuff that you do, or what you sell, or what's your service, but it's not that. Entrepreneurship has got a lot of layers in there. You need to have the HR skills, you need to have the managerial skills, you need to have the operational skills, you need to understand finance, you need to understand the legal process, every tax, this, that. So there are a lot of layers in there. So running a business is just not about having sound knowledge of what technically you're good at or what is your passion, but to run a company means you have to run, you can say, manage the employees, you have to have a teamwork, you have to see the operation, you have to see that the legal matters are not getting any kind of, negligency from our side. So yeah, it's challenging, but then it's fun, because being at such young age, when we have chosen this, it's our choice. You have to learn every day, and we are kind of learning, and I think we're going to learn till the end of our lives, and it's not going to stop. So that's fun. It's fun, yeah.
So you just talk about COVID-19 situation. So how you guys are handling office during this time?
So that's a very
because I was seeing lots of videos and photos from your office, so I was just excited.
Actually, what happens, like she said, entrepreneurship is not just about delivering some quality products or services, but it's also about how you manage things inside.
Right.
So luckily, we are able to make our team in such a way that everybody feels like they are working for their own company, and they don't feel like extra work or working for extra hours or nothing else. Like 2 of our employees are like staying at our office. They have no problems. They are happy about it that they are over here and they are working like crazy. And yeah, in this way things are pretty well managed and everything is fine.
What I can say is somehow, of course, COVID-19 has caused a lot of trouble, but then again COVID-19 has brought the digital revolution, and being a digital marketing company, I guess we are lucky here. And of course it's all about the team. I feel super proud of the team that we have, because without asking a single question. And it's not like that they're just doing it for the money or they're just doing it for the salary or anything, because it shows in their passion. They have agreed to stay in the office with us. We all are staying here since more than a month now, of course, and ahead also earlier we stayed for like two months again for WTF. So it's like that. When the team is ready to work together to make Allianz, bigger, and that's what shows in each and every staff and each and every employee and the team members that we have built up. So we are kind of lucky that how we have got the team exactly like us.
Yeah.
So that's good. So we are.
I must say you guys are lucky, because there is saying that getting a good team member is a lot difficult than getting a good life partner. So I guess you guys are lucky.
That's true. And that's why maybe we are so cynical that we when take interviews, we are so cynical, like even to take one candidate, we take 2-3 months to hire one person, because that's what it is about. We don't want anybody wrong, to enter this whole family, because I always say that this is Allianz fam, and that's what we have, the hashtag Allianz fam, and we want everybody to be on the same page.
Even while we are taking interviews, we keep one criteria that he or she should be a very good human being, and learning attitude. If that's there, if they have that characteristics, then it's perfectly fine. Even if they don't know some technical stuffs that comes, then fine.
Fine.
We are there for
things can be learned, but
the humanity, the character build up, the way people are, that's very important. And because we follow these two things very strictly at Allianz, like no politics culture, we just want everybody to enjoy fun, work with discipline, complete your task, give it your passion, and that's it. I mean, we don't need complications, right? So that's very simple rule that we have.
So it was really inspiring to know about your professional life. Now it's again time to play another game.
Okay.
Excited?
Full excited.
So this game title is Who is Likely to Be. You guys cannot speak. You guys have to point, like if I'm something, then this. Otherwise else.
Okay, so it's the
if the answer is about Anisa, then you can just point Anisa. Otherwise,
okay.
Who is likely to be late? Who is likely to eat more?
Eat more.
No, you also eat more. I need some special dishes to eat more, but you eat everything.
I mean, he loves to eat chicken and mutton all the time.
He will eat, but he will only eat non-veg.
Yeah.
That he will.
Like double, no problem.
Like double,
Yeah, I know he's like, if there is something veg in the plate, then he's like, okay, I will only eat this
in
one.
veg you can only have saag. Apart from that, it's all have to be chicken, mutton, fish, egg, anything.
Okay. Who is more ambitious?
Both. Both of
Who is
us
more
are.
intelligent?
Yeah, I can.
Then who is more creative?
Yeah, you can say.
Yeah, great.
Who is more funny?
I would say like both, like at times situation.
At times, like I can be funny throughout the day. He's funny. He has got a certain time. After evening, he's funny.
Who is more irritating?
He irritates me more. No,
that's the truth.
You irritate.
That's the truth.
You can't make that serious face.
That's
You
the
irritate
truth.
me more. Okay,
Come
fine.
on, man,
No.
that's the truth.
Who is the life of Allianz?
I can be modest.
Okay, he's also pointing like, okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to say.
You can
I don't want to.
say like
I don't want to
Yeah,
say
like,
this.
I'm
I don't want to say
comfortable,
this,
I'm
but
Yeah, like okay, she is.
So whatever you want to take it.
Okay.
who is the best dancer between you people?
Come on, I'm not a dancer at all.
You must see him dancing. But he dances. He danced in school, no?
Yeah, I
and
won,
he won
I
first
won
prize also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In group dance, but
In
that
group
was.
dance.
Maybe
Oh.
people didn't saw me dancing.
Yeah.
That was a team effort.
That was an effort.
So yeah, please, dancing goes here.
Then who is the best singer?
Yeah.
Both. I guess he also sings.
Nah, I don't sing so.
Okay,
well.
fine, it's me. So
Okay, fine,
see,
it's
I
me.
have so much quality, people.
I think I need to add some more questions for Anisa. Anisa, let's discuss and just add up your question.
Yeah, sure.
Who's more tech freak? Okay.
Okay, who is more tech freak?
Yeah.
Who's more punctual?
Wow.
So like that, I
Okay.
can give.
opposite of every question is he.
Uh-huh.
Simply we can say that.
Who's more serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serious. So we know that there are lots of challenges in the market. So I would like to ask few challenges that you guys have faced in digital marketing world.
Okay. So the first thing that I would like to say is the lack of awareness. Practically, when we are going out in the market and meeting people who knows that there's something called digital marketing and they want digital marketing for their company, but there is such lack of awareness that people think that it's just a cup of tea, you know. It's like, I don't want to be sounding so negative because there are positive people out there too, but then basically the first meeting is always about making them understand that technically what are the different things which comes in digital marketing. It's just not about social media, it's just not about graphics and videos. There is a whole marketing strategy. When you take MBA or when you do MBA, when you read marketing, then whatever rules you read in the book in the traditional marketing form, the same applies in the digital marketing world too. So there is SEO, there's that vast of things that is done in digital marketing. So that awareness is still lacking in the Nepalese market. That is the first thing. And the second thing, which I may sound a bit, I don't know what, but yeah, about the pricing. I think because of the price war in the market has been spoiled or something, I can say. People really think that why to pay this. Like, I'll just give you an example. I would not mention the name exactly. So 2-3 days back, we went for a meeting with a big brand, and the person we met, because they asked us to meet for SEO, you know, they were already doing social media by some other people, and they wanted to go for SEO. And he said the line that he said was, I'm spending 9 or 10 lakhs for a Soch month in social media marketing, like to Mark Zuckerberg for ads, Facebook ads, and for you SEO I wanted to do start with on-site with 15,000. So there is 9-10 lakhs and there is 15,000. Like, dude, what is happening? And we said, please get a freelancer, and we just left the place, because that is how difficult it gets. That you need result, but you don't want to invest. Come on, a simple line that I would like to say is, if you have a business without marketing, how can you expect sales?
And it's a basic rule of thumb. Like, if you want high quality service and everything perfect, then you need to spend. You need to spend. That's for sure. Like, everything should be perfect. Then if we are going for a video shoot as well, everything should be perfect. Cameras should be perfect, and that for that perfectness, investment is needed.
Of course. This is very tough in the market to make them understand that why invest, because all these things are investment. You want perfection, you want a perfect output, but you don't want to invest. I mean, in that case, you just want to grow yourself and you don't want growth of the other party. But growth is mutual. If I grow, you grow, right? So that mentality, I think, has to change, I guess. The rest, we are fine.
yeah, we are fine.
You guys are working with all the big, like brands. So I would like to ask, which is your favorite brand? Like, let's say favorite client of yours. Yeah.
Okay, so I am very sure that we have the same choice here. I would like to say there is no 1920. Like in Hindi we say 19-20 ka farak bhi nahi hai. I can't, there is a tie. And that's not because of the brand they are or the organization, that's because of the people in there with whom we are interacting. So it's a tie between Nepal SBI Bank and Hama Steel, because both of the places, the people that we get, they are so humble. I mean, such elder people than us, but still the way they treat us, the way they understand, and the way they give us a wing to fly, and it's like, go wild with your creativity. So both of, like in Hama Steel, Rajan Shrestha sir, he is such motivating and encouraging and gave such young people a big chance, and he is crazily into it with us. He's not like, okay, you guys do, not like that. With SBI also, the whole team is such generous and such humble and such supporting people. So I think he also has the same. We do discuss that.
Humbleness and humanity matters.
Of course, of course.
So it's Nepal SBI.
Nepal SBI and Hama Steel. Both are on the same page.
Like same exactly.
It's always great to work with the people with whom we
usually when we are alone and we are talking about clients and stuffs, and no matter how big brand, people are asking for proposals and all, so we don't care about it, what, I mean, how big you are, it doesn't matter. But once we talk and then we think that this guy is
We wanna
not
work
perfect.
with-
This is not
We want
nice.
to work with this, and we
Yeah.
want to. don't
Maybe
want to
this
work
guy
with
will
these
not
people.
be so much involved like our other clients,
Yeah.
and we kind of reject clients.
Yeah.
I kind of like these things about you guys because lots of people just look after the money and
Yeah.
like give us a project, and
Uh-huh.
that is the main reason why they are being treated like this in the market. But you guys are like brave enough to like reject and say no, we want a good environment to work
Yeah,
in.
exactly.
And that is a very
One-
important thing
one thing
that
I
Nepali
like-
markets should understand.
One
Yeah.
thing I'd like to add here, I think I have, like in person also, I've been telling you this, and to a lot of other fellow entrepreneurs I have met, I have told this. It's on us that either we are making the market new road or mall.
Right.
I have been saying this example. For example, when we go to a mall, we see the price tag and we buy the stuffs, right? We are okay with that because we know that's a brand, right? When we go to New Road, even if the person says 100 rupees, will come to 80 bucks because we know bargaining is allowed there, so we'll bargain, right? But the same person, when we go to malls and with the fixed prices there, will pay and will come back, right? So this is what is happening, and this is how we entrepreneurs and we young entrepreneurs have to make a point that we have to make the market a brand, a mall, not a flea market, right? So it's in our hand how we deal with that. So at the end of the day, what we do is creativity. Our work is all about creativity. Creativity needs peace of mind, and if we don't get such people from in the opposite side, on the other side, who would understand and give us our space to work with peace and creativity, and constantly nagging on our head, we don't want to work. Come on, money, fine, we can reject, like we do reject clients because of that, because we want to give our 110%, and a person, if we feel that he's not understanding our efforts and he's just treating us like any agency, then we are like, sorry, with a humble namaste, sorry, we have. So yeah.
And yes, definitely for creativity, great working environment is very important, and
It's very
I think you guys are creating that very well.
Thank you. Hope.
So, what is the proud moment of your life till now? I'll go this question for Anas.
There's an event that has happened in my life when I was getting out of my engineering background and switching to digital marketing and entrepreneurship. At that time, it was a proud moment as well and kind of scary moment as well. But I would rate that more to be proud moment because of the support of my parents and family, everyone. So I was able to like switch and complete. I have completed a master's in engineering, but then disregarding all those things and completely switching to a new thing, and where I was like kind of alone at the beginning. Yeah, I had friends, but technically no business skills, nothing. From zero we had to start, and still we started. And then after a year we had conducted an content marketing seminar, and at that time it was so proud moment because like more than 200 people was like congested in
It
the
was the
same
first
hall. It was
anniversary
the
of
first
Alliance,
anniversary
yeah.
of Alliance. And like people were willing to come inside like crazy and listen to us, and it was kind of 3 or 4 hours of session,
Yeah.
and everybody was there listening to us, full
We have to
patience.
send people back
We had to send people back, which was a really bad thing
because of lack
for
of
us.
seats,
Yeah, and that time I felt really proud that I actually switched all those things and came this to see this crowd so happy and willing to listen. So that was really a proud moment.
What was your family reaction back then?
They were in there into
Yeah,
that session.
in the first anniversary, my mom and dad was there, and my father was also one of the guests, and he was also called on the stage, and we asked him. He was talking some good things which he never talks in person, but on the stage he was talking. But yeah, it was really fine. It was really proud moment.
Okay. I mean, like, what was the exact reaction?
Reaction, I'm not so much reacting like whatever happens inside me, except happiness. I kind of control it, keep it, and wait for the right moment when my friends are around, and then I share.
I can guess what was the reaction. Big smile on his face.
Yeah.
Like, he's not very expressive
Right,
with his words.
When
or
he's very
loud.
happy, he's like always.
Yeah.
He's like
He's happy, he's sad, but he's not very expressive with words. Yeah.
Right. Same question goes to you. What
Okay,
was your
my-
proudest moment of life?
I think there has been a lot, maybe in school life also. I guess each and every moment when I saw my parents to be proud of me because of my school results. I always scored good, I was one of the toppers, or in college. I have seen them, but what made a change, because my mom, that was always like proud of me for doing whatever I was, whether it was dance or it was studies. But one moment that happened, so after when I actually came, like totally permanently came to Nepal, you know how elder brothers are. So my elder brother was a bit, because he's overprotective and possessive, so he was a bit doubtful that, she's leaving everything and going there, and that too for business, and how it would be if anything happens. He never said me no on my face, but he kind of, I know it from my bhabi, so my brother's wife. He said him, if anything happens, no, he kind of threatened my bhabhi, that's because of you. And then after I came here, and the videos started going out, and my first seminar on content marketing was here in the seminar hall, and the seat was 50, and it exceeded like 60, 65, and people were still coming. There also we had to send people back, and that seminar's videos and stories they were taking and they were keeping, So what I got to hear from my bhabhi was that she said me, your brother from office is sending me links of your, you did some seminar or what? I was like, yeah, what happened? They're like, your brother is sending me those links of those videos and saying, see. And that was a proud moment for me, because my mom and dad was like always proud of me, whatever I do. But when I saw that confidence in my elder brother, and he was like totally proud, and whatever my videos go out, he kind of flaunts it. He does not show it to me directly, but he flaunts, and that's very, very proud moment for me when I see that proud and that happiness in his eyes, and at peace that okay, my little sister is doing, she knows what she is doing. So that confidence I have gained. So that I think was very important for me.
Like, brothers are not good at showing the love.
Very unexpressive.
But they love us.
But they love us a lot. So yeah.
So this question goes to Taru ma'am.
Okay.
If you won $1 million, what would you do?
So if I get $1 million, I think partially I'll invest it or save it, but then partially I'll go for a 6-month or a 1 year world tour, and with my girls trip. I have my 2 best friends, so I'll go out, and I think I'm gonna buy stuff, because I'm an impulsive shopaholic person. So I'll do all those crazy things, and maybe I'll go for a trip like 6 months or 1 year world tour.
Won't you give anything for Anisa?
He has already got everything. No, I mean, whatever parties or trip we'll do, he'll be there. He'll be there.
Anisa, तपाईँले कार्टुन कति हेर्नुहुन्छ?
Cartoon, yeah, a lot. I used to watch like hell when I was in childhood, but after like 10th standard, then it was like completely stopped, because like when I was childhood in 90s at that time, like there was cartoons like
I love those cartoons
Baloo
in 90s.
and
Tom and Jerry,
Scooby-Doo, and there's Uncle Scrooge, something.
Donald Duck, Uncle Scrooge.
Donald, yeah, it was like really funny and really emotional things, and then I used to love the characters and everything. But then I don't know what happened. I stopped watching that.
Pattern changed.
Cartoons, and then I completely stopped.
To be very specific, who is your favorite cartoon character, and why?
I would like to give that point to Aladdin, maybe.
Aladdin.
And why?
Because he's a romantic person. And somewhere inside me, maybe I'm, kind of romantic. At that time, when situation comes, I know what I am. And yeah, I mean, that character, reflects me somewhere. Because I was also, we are not from, middle class. Also. We were like below middle class when we, when my father came to Kathmandu at the beginning, and that was like very difficult situation for us, and maybe similar situation was for Aladdin as well.
So relatable.
So maybe, yeah.
Okay.
Who is your favorite actor?
Favorite actor?
In Hollywood.
Hollywood, it's Tom Cruise, any day. I love Tom Cruise.
So what would you do to impress him, if you get the chance?
Oh my god, he's way too out of my league, I guess.
If you get the chance.
To impress him, I don't know. I have this very simple logic in me that I follow. I am what I am, I don't try to change anything about me to impress somebody. So I think whatever I am, I'll put up my best in front of him, the way, whatever, talks, or as a human, whatever I am. If he has to like me, he has to like me, the way I am. If I put up or add stuffs and have to like me, I can't fake for whole of my life. So yeah, maybe what I can do is I can do a research on what he likes. I can gift him what he likes, and maybe
Very diplomatic answer.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I'm not good with these things.
Okay, who is your favorite actress in Nepali movie industry?
Hey, he does not know anybody. I can write it in a stamp of paper. He does
no,
not know
I
names.
don't watch. Even if I watch, I don't remember names of Nepali characters and actors. No.
The Nepali songs also, whatever he knows is because of me, which I now remember
Yeah,
and I
I was
sing.
kind of brought up in a place, in a family where nobody used to listen to music as well, and whenever we are watching movies in some Cinemax or something,
It's
we would
Hindi.
like Hindi movies also.
Ah.
Hindi movies also. Like I don't remember those kind
So
of.
then
Yeah.
let me change the question. Who is your favorite actress in Hollywood?
Yeah,
Not
that-
Hollywood, let's say Bollywood. Because I have already asked you about Hollywood.
So
Bollywood.
yeah, I would like go for Anushka.
Anushka
Right.
Sharma.
Because she's a really good actor, good expressions in everything,
And
like
he likes
dancing
her
and
acting.
singing and everything. Yeah.
What would you do to impress her if you get the chance?
Virat Kohli will bat you with a sixer.
No, let us imagine if she is not married.
And now that she's pregnant also.
No, let us
I'm actually not the kind of person that actually puts efforts and talking like that. But even if I'm supposed to do that, then maybe I would put some efforts, like to show my feelings, to show my personal side of me. And how am I? Like I'm already romantic, like I already said you. So that romantic side of me, maybe I would like to make a sketch of her, because I like sketching. So maybe I would like to sketch a picture of her and gift it to her, and maybe take us to some.
That'd be
Nice,
Yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
Nice.
So as you guys know, मैले मेरो लास्ट भिडियोमा पनि भनेको थिएँ कि पर्सनल ह्याबिट्सले गरेको प्रोफेसनल सक्सेस अर गोलमा चाहिँ जहिले पनि इम्प्याक्ट पर्छ. सो वाट आर दोज ह्याबिट्स जुन हजुरहरूले फलो गरिरहनु भएको छ जसले पर्सनल लाइफमा जसले गर्दा चाहिँ तपाईँको प्रोफेसनल गोल्समा चाहिँ इफेक्ट भइरहेको छ?
सो मेरो पर्सनली नै सानैदेखि नै कस्तो बानी लागेको हो कि बिहान बिहानै नै उठ्ने. लाइक बुवाले बिहान बिहानै एक्जाम छ आज पढ्नुपर्छ, 4 बजे उठाइदिने होइन, अनि यतिकै गरेर पढिरहेको छ होइन, त्यतिखेर एकदम गाह्रो हुने. बट त्यो कतिखेर ह्याबिटमा चेन्ज भयो, आई डोन्ट नो अबाउट इट, एन्ड आई वाज फिलिङ सो मच ह्याप्पी. अनि आजकल चाहिँ जब यो बानी लागिसकेको छ 6 बजे त लाइक स्योर सर्ट उठिसकेको हुन्छु, न त 7 बजे बेडमा पनि हिँड्छु भने इट फिल्स लाइक 7 o'clock पनि बेडमा छु, उठ्नुपर्छ भनेर आई गेट इरिटेटेड एन्ड गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. अनि अब आजकल त अब इन्टरप्रेन्योरसिप गर्न थालिसकेपछि बुक्सहरू अलिअलि पढिन्छ, भिडियोजहरू हेरिन्छ, मोटिभेसन भिडियोजहरू हेरिन्छ. त्यो सबैमा एउटा कमन कुरा चाहिँ के भन्छ, लाइक सक्सेसफुल पिपल वेक्स अप अर्ली. त्यो एउटा पोइन्टले चाहिँ मलाई खुसी पनि पार्छ. ल मैले सानैदेखि लागेको बानी एउटा राम्रो छ, एन्ड विच गिभ्स मी बुस्टर फर द एन्टायर डे. मैले बिहान जति काम गर्न सक्छु 2 घन्टामा, त्यति मैले 4 घन्टा 5 घन्टामा दिउँसो गर्न सक्दिनँ. बिकज देयर आर लट्स अफ थिङ्स टु म्यानेज, सो मेनी पिपल टु टक टु, फोन कल्स आउँछ, नोटिफिकेसन्स आएको आइ गर्छ. लाइक मर्निङ टाइम भेरी पिसफुल, नो बडी अराउन्ड, जस्ट वर्क, जस्ट स्टडी, पढ्ने कि त केही काम गर्ने. लाइक 4 घन्टाको काम 2 घन्टामा 1 घन्टामा आई क्यान फिनिस. सो द्याट्स वान अफ द बेस्ट थिङ द्याट आई फाइन्ड इन माइ सेल्फ. जसको कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ लट्स अफ च्यालेन्जेस, प्रब्लम्स, इस्युज जुन चाहिँ डेको टाइममा आई क्यान नट फिक्स, त्यो चाहिँ मैले मर्निङको टाइममा फिक्स गरेर 10 बजे उठेर कामबाट उठेर उसलाई मैले भनेर आउँछु, ल यो प्रब्लम सल्भ भइसक्यो, टेन्सन नलियो होइन. सो that's
In a refreshing mood.
yeah,
That's
right,
true,
yeah.
because from 10 to 6 we have employees around, we have to manage them, we have to check on their work. So we are totally involved with them. So our personal time when we can sit and concentrate on what were the problems, what happened yesterday, what to solve, what to do. So that time is kind of like, for him it would be 6, for me it's like 7:30. My things have also changed after coming here. So 7:30, and that 2 hours of time is like totally ours. I plan the whole day's work in that morning time. So before the employees come, I already know who has got to do what work and I can assign them. So that is one very good thing. Other thing, like that's his personal wala thing which has helped me. My personal thing, I would say that personally I am that kind of a person who wants a very simple life, like no complications. I like to talk around to people to solve issues.
Right.
See, problems are gonna come, right? Even in family, even with friends, even in the team, even with your team members. But the thing is, like, you have to talk. You have to talk and you have to speak out and you have to discuss and you have to sort it out. And that is something which I am in person. And I think that helps a lot in the environment or the work culture that we have built in Alliance, that if there is any problem, let's talk out. Let's talk out and let's have that environment around.
Yeah.
So basically we can say, yeah, those kind of, a lot of things are there personally, because I watch movies like crazy or web series like crazy, and my work is totally creative, you know, creating content, scripts, ideas generation. So I watch a lot of stuffs on internet. You can say Netflix, Amazon, all these things are like my Bible or Gita, you can say. So I watch those things and I feel from there I get inspiration, and that's why it's so much easier for me to like, otherwise I would have content static or content fatigue every day.
Right.
Because I have to deal with so much of clients and everybody's contents and this, that. So I think, yeah, those kind of things are helping. The personal side is helping in the professional manner. So yeah.
Yeah, that is really great that you guys are maintaining friendly environment and using social media for the proper purpose.
Yeah.
Right. And the question for Tara ma'am is, if a biography was made on your life, what would be the movie's name?
I think it can be two. One could be Life as We Know It, and the other could be a simple story of a complex girl. Maybe.
That name is already complex.
So that can be there. There are complexities in everybody's life, but still the need to get into that simplicity is important.
Right.
So maybe any of that.
So all of us know that there is like lots of party going on in Alliance. So when was the last party at Alliance?
So last party
every
was
evening anyhow.
what was that occasion when we had our last party?
Anniversary.
Hey, anniversary. That was
Anniversary first.
Okay.
So we have all the small chit-bit parties every evening because our team is staying, you know, the graphic designer is staying. So almost every weekend we have parties. Okay, every day we have parties because to keep that energy and motivation going on. But still, the biggest, nicest party, if you say the big bang one, that we had on 1st August.
1st of August.
And it was
Third
a great-
anniversary of Alliance.
Third anniversary of
Alliance.
Alliance, and where we were present only for half an hour.
So if you want to give any suggestion or you need to give any suggestions to our audience who is watching this video, what would it be?
You can give first.
Both of you, like,
So I would just like to say that, guys, whoever you are, whatever you guys are doing, it may be a job, it may be your student, it may be that you're entrepreneurs, just understand one thing, you know, never give up, and please never get your success get into your head. Keep your feet rooted to the ground, know from where you are coming, and try to think of solutions rather than problems, and let's keep a happy, simple life and environment everywhere. And I think that the attitude of never giving up, you may be right now, you may be wrong now, it's fine, but it's okay. Learn from your own mistakes and grow. Just don't stop, because being stagnant means, you know, that even stagnant water starts smelling after some weeks, right? And that's what you should not be. Don't be stagnant. Keep on learning, keep on growing, and spread happiness, spread love. That's it. So yeah, that would be from me.
So yeah, for entrepreneurship, like it's very important for you guys, for anybody who is starting up, you need to realize a feeling inside you about whatever you are doing. You need to have passion about that. I mean, all this energy that we are trying to drive in all our works, it's just because of that passion we have in ourselves to serve our clients, to work, to, you know, manage all the employees. These all things will only be possible if you have passion and interest, full interest in doing that. Don't go for like, म यो गर्छु, यो काम गर्छु किनकि यसमा पैसा धेरै छ. Never go for that. Just do something that you love doing, that you love doing even after 10 years. Just imagine yourself doing the same stuff even after 10 years, and if you feel that you are happy even after 10 years, then just go for it. Otherwise, just change the field whatever you are doing. That's one suggestion that I like
so
to give.
passion is the key to success.
Yeah, basically.
Thank you so much for coming in our show and giving us your, you know, like fun talks. We really enjoyed, and hope our audience will also enjoy the show.
Thank you so much for calling us and making your first
Yeah,
guest.
we are really
And
happy that
it's
we
really
are-
nice
yeah,
to open up
the first
personally, and we had a lot of fun, I guess.
Yeah,
I got to hear some good words from him, which does not happened. So yeah, thank
Since last
you.
10 years.
Since last 10 years. So yeah, that was good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can't let you guys go without selfie. Let's have a selfie with Siri.